Hello everyone, this video is about the derivation of the quadratic formula and the X-Vertex formula. We start with the general form of a quadratic equation. We divide throughout by a, x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0, and we might leave some space here. So we are forming a perfect square. Let's add b over 2a all squared to both sides, so we're not changing anything. Okay, all done. There we go. And then we have a perfect square here, x plus b over 2a all squared, and we can expand this part. So we have a b squared over 4a squared, and we move this to the right, so we have c over a minus, so minus c over a, and we can multiply this fraction by 4a over 4a, so we have a common denominator. The left hand side is still exactly the same. The right hand side is now b squared minus 4ac. Now it's familiar. And then we take the square root of both sides, so x plus b over 2a equals the square root of, so plus minus the square root of everything, but actually we can take this out of the square root, so we can just put the square root on top divided by 2a, and finally we subtract both sides by b over 2a, so we have minus b over 2a, but we can combine the fractions because both terms have the same denominator, which is 2a. And just like this, we derive the quadratic formula. Okay, well, for the x value of the vertex, it's just the midpoint of the x-intercepts. Even if there's no real roots, we can use this shortcut formula. So it's minus a b plus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So it's the midpoint, so we just add the other root, so we use the plus, now we use the minus, so now it's minus b minus square root and so on. And since we're talking about the midpoint, we have to divide by 2, so we add and then we divide by 2. So when we add plus something minus something, they cancel out, so we have only minus b, that's minus 2b over 2a, but still divided by 2. So in the simplest form, it is minus b over 2a. Alright, that's it. I'll see you again next time.